In my experience, I always suggest starting any new form of artistic development from the simplest materials, thus purchasing a basic frame without any particular speciality and then arrange it with me. Here I have a regular wooden frame with a set of bolts, scissors, threads with a needle, and a cut of wool or velvet fabric. I have a very soft but thick wool fabric that I have to cut into 2 pieces with the sizes of 10 cm width and 55 cm length in order to wrap the longest part of the frame. Two flaps are ready, and I'm placing the frame's longest parts on the top. Have your pins close to you and wrap the fabric around from the center, securing it with a pin. When it's ready, fix the fabric with applying regular stitches. Remove the pin and stitch. Thus, prepare 2 longest parts of your embroidery frame. When ready, we may start assembling. Place the short part of the frame on top, keeping 90 degrees angle, and place the bolt into the end of the frame. Turn the frame and keep 2 cm gap before placing the third bolt. And don't twist the screw too strong. Don't forget to mind 90 degrees corner. Repeat the same by keeping 2 cm gap and then place the bolt underneath . Don't twist the screw very firmly. When the frame is ready, take a cut of the silk and a little candle. courageously secure all edges of the fabric with a light. The cut of the silk is ready to be set. Thus, I place my frame on top of it. Keep the pins close to you and draw the shortest edges of the silk on the frame. When secured with the pins, arm with a needle and a thread and fix the silk, applying regular and frequent stitches. Upon sewing, you may remove the pins. One side is ready, thus I continue with the second one. Roll the silk on top of the frame without pulling and secure with the pins starting from its center. Take the needle with the thread and fix the silk with the frequent stitches. Once it's ready, if you remember, we've kept these two screws slightly loosened with approximately 2 centimeters gap inside. Now I want to stretch my silk by pulling down this part of the frame and then twist the screws very firmly. Mind the corners at 90 degrees. Turn the frame. The silk is now like a drum. Take a ribbon in order to fix another 2 sides of the cut. Secure the edge of the silk ribbon with a light and place the edge slightly in diagonal to the frame and fix it with a pin. Wrap the ribbon around the frame and secure with a pin at exactly 90 degrees and slightly upper from the previous pin. Continue rolling the ribbon, keeping 90 degrees angles, side to side, as close as possible, slightly pulling the silk with the ribbon. Once finishing, cut the ribbon and fix with a lighter. Accurately secure the edges. Thus, one side of the frame is ready. And I would like to turn and repeat the other side. The process of fixing the silk with the ribbon is absolutely equal to what we've done before. However, at this time, we need to pull the ribbon and the silk very firmly. Now place the pin slightly upper from the previous one. And pull the ribbon down. Thus the silk becomes stretched like a drum. Clap it. Roll the ribbon underneath your frame and fix the edge as close to the previous as possible. Mind to always keep 90 degrees angles between the ribbon and the silk. Thus the fabric will be stretched equally throughout the frame. Like this, I continue the process until the end. I would like you to repeat the same process. Photograph your work and send me the pictures with your comments or questions if you have. When the frame is complete, check the tension by clapping the fabric. The sound should be as if you're clapping the drum, and the edges remain straight and accurate.